So today I'm here to share with you guys the Vigorous Black Wig with Bangs. This is the long wavy wig, and guys, it is heat resistant and it is a synthetic wig that's supposed to be natural looking, okay? And it's for daily party use. Look, the reason why I got this wig is one, for a protective style, and two, just wanted to have something to change up my hair style and without the fuss, if that makes sense. And this is probably my this is my second wig I've gotten from Amazon. And I thought I would go ahead and do the unpackaging with you guys to see how it turned out and how it comes, okay? So as you guys can see here, this is the bag that it came in, obviously well packaged, and I'm pretty stoked because there are other items in here as well that also came with this wig, okay? And you can probably see some of those items in the bag just because it's a bit see-through, okay? So first and foremost, let's take a look at the extras that we got. Okay, first of all, I am a hoops earring girl. So how fun is it that they included a pair of hoops, and it's in my favorite color. I prefer gold over silver. So this is great. I also needed a new pair of gold hoops. So thank you for these earrings, okay? So we got our earrings in here. We also have a wig comb as well, okay? So that's really cool, and it's in one of my favorite colors, pink, okay? So that's awesome. Then we also got some wig caps, okay? And oh my gosh, how incredibly cute. There is a thank you note on here. Wow, now that is thoughtful. I love that, okay? So it has a little thank you note right up here that says, thank you so much for purchasing at our shop. That is so awesome. And you've got two wig caps in here, okay? Now for me, I need a black wig cap, but this will still come in handy, okay? Now, we've got our wig, which is the pièce de résistance, okay? So let's take a look and see the wig, okay? So I wanted a banged wig, and I definitely love the fact that this wig has some texture to it and a waviness to it. As you guys have been able to tell by the title, you also can use some heat on this wig. Me personally, I'm probably just gonna leave it as is because it has a natural wave pattern to it, which is why I got it. But you can put some heat on the hair. Of course, follow the instructions according to the brand for this wig to follow to make sure that you're not putting too much high heat on your wig, okay? And so there's our little hair net that's on top of here, and you can already see the curl pattern on the hair, okay, just from what I can see. And oh my gosh, the hair is beautiful. Oh, you guys, I'm so impressed. Look at this, you guys. Look at the pattern. Number one. Number two, I can run my fingers through the hair with no problem. It is soft. Oh my goodness, you guys, okay? Now let's take a look. They have this packaging in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the stuffing out of here so you guys can see the actual wig cap. Here's the top portion of the wig. So of course, if you want to put a little concealer or something to make it match the skin tone of your skin, you can do that. Of course, we've got our bangs. You guys know this is right out the package. So of course, you're gonna adjust it to whatever way you want. You can cut your bangs however short you'd like, or leave them long as they are. But these are the bangs for this as well, okay? And then to show you guys the inside of the wig itself, so you guys can see we've got some hair clips on each side over here, okay? We've got our wig clips. We've also got our wig clip that's at the bottom as well. We've got some adjustable straps as well, so you can tighten the wig based on the size of your head. So that's really good. We've got the other clamp over here, and of course the attachments for those clamps are right here. I'm probably gonna use the elastic band method for this to be able to tighten it even more if those clamps don't work. So you have that option if you need it. And guys, look how beautiful, look at this. Oh my God, oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh. I'm so super geeked. This is exciting, and I've been wanting a different hairstyle for the longest time, and I can easily attain it with just this wig. So with that said, I am very happy with the purchase of this wig, and I hope that this video helps in making your decision.